Criminality concept, its causes and theories. In legal terms, crimes are acts or omissions that are prohibited by law and can be punished either by fine or imprisonment. Common examples of crime are murder, robbery, tax payment failure, child neglect, rape, and others. However, the key understanding of crime lies in the identification of what the above-listed examples have in common instead of separating them into specific categories. Criminality. Criminality is a particular profile of an individual that causes the cruelest or most alarming types of crimes. Given the fact that every criminal behavior is linked to the use of force, stealth, or fraud, criminality is a style of behavior that requires self-centeredness alongside being indifferent to the needs and sufferings of others as well as low levels of self-control. Because criminality can often bring instant gratification through simple strategies, impulsive and uncontrolled individuals find criminality a very appealing type of behavior. The strategies involved in the planning of the criminal act are thrilling and risky, however, they rarely require any significant skills. Thus, psychologically, criminals differ from ordinary citizens because the majority of ordinary citizens commit at least one mild legal crime during their lives. However, the majority of legal crimes are committed by individuals that can be characterized by the criminal behavior style. Causes of crime. Crime has a strong correlation with the male gender and young age, as well as with early involvement in criminal activities that usually cause further involvement. On the other end of the spectrum, such factors as inequality, poverty, improper socialization, and the availability of various criminal opportunities are also closely linked to criminal activities. However, these variables are hard to determine because many of them are correlated and interchangeable. For instance, racial discrimination along with poverty largely affects the African American population, which is also characterized by disproportionate rates of criminal behavior. Thus, it is impossible to determine which particular variable is the direct reason for criminal activities. Moreover, there is no unified theory that has been developed on this matter. Crime causes theories. The primary theories on causes of crime can be divided into biological, developmental, psychological, sociological, geographic, and economic. The biological theories of crime are focused on the idea that genes, the factors of evolution, and brain structure have a strong influence on the individual's criminal behavior. The developmental theory of crime explains crime as a consequence of the process of development that starts before the individual's birth and proceeds throughout the lifespan. The psychological theory puts importance on examining the relationships between criminal behavior and the personality of an individual as well as the surrounding social factors. According to the majority of psychological theories on crime, the role played by parents in the individual's development is the fundamental factor that influences any criminal propensities. The sociological theories about crime suggest that the relationships between various social structures like ethnicity, race, or culture are determinants of the individual's criminal behavior. The geographic theories of crime focus on examining and analyzing the data about how crime is distributed geographically. Lastly, the economic theories about crime are based on the concept that individuals respond to the various costs and opportunities for criminal behavior. The economic theories explore the costs of crime and the possible benefits such as the economic conditions.